Hi, I'm Mansi Chandok, co-founder Wonderskin.
Hi, I'm Rahul Chandok, co-founder Wonderskin. We are importers of Korean skincare brands based out of New Delhi, and we've been importing Korean brands since the last 2 years. Both are very premium brands called Akoje and Aromayong, using all kinds of natural ingredients and chemical-free cosmetics, taking care of all skincare types.
So we've been exhibiting here physically, and what we've noticed is that the Indian consumer is not just conscious about their health and their food, but they are equally conscious about their skincare. We feel we've been privileged to be here, physically present. However, we have been online on all platforms like Amazon and Nykaa, but being over here and seeing the kind of sales we have achieved is very encouraging.
So, as we all know that the Korean quality is very high end and they are thorough professionals while making any kind of products, being it skincare or being it electronics. I would recommend people to kind of explore the Korean market more, and we all could visit, exhibitions in Korea or other places in the Southeast and explore the opportunities of getting different products, different brands in different categories into India, because India is a very open market now, and the youth and the middle class has a lot of spending power in hand, which enables us to get good quality premium products into India which are yet not available. So my suggestion to the Korean exporters is that India is a very big market with a huge potential, with the middle class and the youth having a great spending power. They should have a good team of people who are able to do the import licensing, the documentations, whatever is required, because India, being a big market, is still a kind of closed market, because the Indian government wants to safeguard their own manufacturing processes and industries. So they should not get afraid of all those things and rather take that as a challenge, because all these documentations or the licensing part is just a one-time effort, and once you do that, you're ready to go.
It's been about 6 to 7 days that we are here, and firstly I want to thank Kotra from the bottom of our hearts to giving us this platform. This is one of the best places in Delhi where we could showcase these beautiful Korean products. The kind of footfall, the kind of crowd which this mall has the ability to get is cannot be compared. Thanking the entire team of Kotra for their support, for their encouragement. We look forward to more such fairs and such meets in future.